Today on Behind the Strength, we're exploring something we all experience but rarely understand, our own mind. We're joined by Dr. Shwetambara Sabharwal, a clinical psychologist who's reshaping how we see therapy. Not as a last resort, but as a way to live more aware, more present, and more emotionally free. Because behind the roles we play, behind the smiles we show, there are thoughts, patterns, and emotions quietly shaping our lives. And sometimes the real strength lies not in holding it together, but in understanding what's going on within. Welcome to Behind the Strength, Doctor.
Thank you, Priya.
What does therapy as perspective mean?
I think we all go through life, and sometimes, unfortunately, with intent, and most times without intent, people will land up hurting us.
Right.
And how do you come back from it? How do you recover from it? How do you heal from it? Is something that therapy can give you.
Correct.
So I think it is a very important perspective that people need to have, open up their minds to. It sounds scary, I guess, because we know very little about it.
True.
But if we can open up our minds to explore, I think it can be a very transformative experience. I feel most of us need a safe place to sound off what we are experiencing, to gain perspective, to check in with ourselves.
Absolutely.
And be able to walk away wiser from situations, not wounded.
Absolutely.
And to be able to become wiser, we need to learn, and we can't learn in isolation and as islands.
Absolutely.
We have to collaborate. There's so much to learn from each other. Sometimes even from hearing your own perspective about things.
Right. Absolutely. Talking about self-awareness, I personally believe that until a person is pushed to a limit, or there is something which is life-changing, the self-awareness does not occur.
Yeah. That's very reflective of you to say, because I always tell everyone who comes into therapy that strength and resilience only comes through pain.
True.
No one sits down on a good day and says, "Chalo, let's talk about self-awareness today," and that I need to look at how I need to grow.
Yes.
It is through challenges,
Right.
through falling down, through loss and through pain that we really shake ourselves up and say, okay, something has to change.
Right. At the core level.
At the core level.